Fridges work by transferring heat away from the inside of the cabinet. The food inside isn't cooled directly. The secret is in the use of a hydrocarbon refrigerant. Refrigerants boil at very low temperatures. Any residual heat in the food or the fridge cabinet itself is transferred to the liquid. It boils, and the steam then passes rapidly through a network of pipes, taking the heat with it. As the steam passes through the pipes and out of the fridge, the heat is released. The hydrocarbon then returns to the reservoir where it cools before being pumped back into the system.
How much do you know about a refrigerator compressor? It's like the heart in a human body. It pumps cold air into your fridge so that you can store food fresh. But when it has a problem and breaks down, it means your refrigerator's life has pretty much ended. So we've developed a new compressor, way smarter and stronger. Samsung Digital Inverter Technology. Let's see what's improved. Advanced temperature control. A traditional fridge compressor is either on or off. It runs at full speed or shuts off. But ours runs at 7 different speeds for various situations. Let's see what's different. Unlike traditional compressors that shut off at certain temperatures, ours gradually adjusts the speed according to internal conditions of the fridge. Think about it. It's a lot better this way because it doesn't have to start cooling all over again, right? That's the best environment for your food. Energy saving. I know, you're probably wondering about energy consumption since our compressor monitors the internal temperature all the time. Let's find out. Because it always runs efficiently, it actually uses less energy. Pretty cool, huh? Refrigerators are opened a lot, letting cold air out. Now you can find your favorites before opening the door of your refrigerator. The innovative transparent window on the InstaView door-in-door enables you to check on the items stored inside without opening the door with 2 simple knocks. Easy to find and access to your favorites. Because LG InstaView door-in-door allows you to see inside without opening the door, you can reduce cold air loss. See inside without losing your cool. Less cold air loss means more freshness for your